Hey girls, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jenny Penton, founder of Planner Perfect, and in today's video, I'm going to share with you another beautiful Planner Perfect goodie that's coming in time for Christmas. So let me just show you what it is. It's my new fur bags, and they are coming. Stay tuned. Let's talk fur bags. These are also coming in this Christmas. This is coming this Christmas, and the colors are to be announced. I do know that these are coming. I know a black is coming and a white is coming. And with my prayer, the one that I really wanted out this year is white, and it has Christmas tree fabric on the inside. It is coming and making it to the lineup, so just stay tuned, okay? These are squishy. These are delicious. I designed these after my favorite bag I found at Aerie from American Eagle, and I just recreated them. So with their size, I loved it, and I was able to do it, and it's absolutely gorgeous. I picked my inside. I've got my tag in here. I picked this. I thought this was absolutely stunning. It's just gorgeous. This is not going to be what is on yours. This is one of my charms, but it's going to be the daisy. So, but I just wanted to, I don't know why actually it is that, but that was just a sample. But it's going to be the daisy instead. And you will soon see that in just a minute, what I mean, because I think this one does. Yes, it'll be like this. So, see how cute. How cute is that? So this is our brown fur. Love it, love it, love it. When you stack and fill this up, you feel like $1 million. You really do. Again, you can use this for absolutely anything. It's just a very cute, beautiful way to travel, and you're going to absolutely love it. I mean, it is so stunning. And then I've got my beautiful pink one. It's just this beautiful powder pink, and I put a pink leopard on the inside. Do you see that? How cute is this? How cute is this? It's this beautiful lining on the inside. Everything about it is perfected and perfectly made. Just wanted to make sure you girls all know that anything that I'm going to pursue, I want it to last you and be the highest of quality. Look at this. It's absolutely stunning. Absolutely stunning. There's a black and a white that's also coming to the lineup. I'm not sure if all four make it or some, but these fur bags should be making it this Christmas. If something goes wrong, I'll let you know, but I do know that we were promised it would be this Christmas, so stay tuned. Fur bags are coming to Planner Perfect.